Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with D. Look, I just want to drop in real quick, talk to you guys about the benefits of kayak fishing. See where I am, but all of this is open. This is open water, and it's short and it's shallow. We're in like 4 foot of water. But here's can you get a boat in here? A buddy of mine just caught a 8-pounder up against that tree right there. So that's the benefits of kayak fishing. Hopefully it allows me to use a photo, and if he does, here's the photo right here. Up against that tree, he caught that fish. Take a look. You just drop your poles down, anything that's in your way, and you can pretty much shimmy through any bodies of water, any you know, of course, safety. You got to have your safety in mind, but not only are you part of the beauty of life, but you can get back in here where the boats can't get. And I got my rods down here, so you can see the paddle boats. They can't come in here. I don't know if you guys can see those paddle boats down there. There's a big stump, a big rock right there. But you can get back here, throw your lure around, away from everybody, and catch fish, or try to catch fish. It's a monster rock right there. And so here we are, fishing, away from the rest of the world, with our safety in mind, of course. And that's one of the benefits of kayak fishing. Well, it's several benefits of kayak fishing. Get out on the water peacefully. Of course, you get yourself a nice, safe kayak, something with some good size on it. And you go fish, man. You know. You get in areas where fish don't see a lot of lures, where there's not a lot of traffic, where there's not a lot of people, and you could, you know, just fish. Get fish up against structure that people can't get to. And you guys are probably saying, well, how am I going to get out? Well, I'll show you. I'll show you in a second. I wish I could catch a fish back here, but like I said, my buddy just caught an 8-pounder back here, fishing through these. Yeah, so you can cut in and out, get it in and out of cuts, put your rods down, anything of height, cut through there. See if we can make it through. You can get through trees and laydowns and all that different type stuff. Meanwhile, everybody else they can't go where you go. But here you are on a kayak, exploring, moving. As long as you got your height, you can cut right through here. Careful, of course. You don't get stuck like me. Take your fish finder down. Don't destroy your equipment. And there it is. Beauty of kayak fishing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the example. You come out on the other side. You going in there? I don't think you can. Yeah. But the creek goes around that way. I don't know if that's gonna make it or not.